Still recording. I got you. I got you. You can't get off that easy, GoPro. Welcome to MCC Just Motos. Well, we just went through mud, no issues. Big mud puddles. See if we get any more. That'd be nice. Let's send it, right? Son of a woo! Still recording. I got you! I got you! You can't get off that easy, GoPro. Wow! That was nuts. Woo-hoo-hoo! Alright, so I'm telling you now, I lost the GoPro. That mud puddle was huge. Water went in my mouth, water went over my head. Yeah, so whew. And then I didn't realize I lost the GoPro until after I tried to push stop, but Himalayan did great. So I'm gonna head on out and we'll go.